Alright. Grab yourself an endless shale. Socket that shit. No, I mean really socket that shit. There we go. Fill it with shales. Now you're at 80 IAS and the breakpoint 75. Grab yourself some Magnus skin gloves for Pierce, Razortail for Pierce, Treads for Pierce, any rings you can find, skillers are great. Grab yourself an Ormus, fill it with mana after kill jewels, you're going to need those. Find yourself a Nightwing, fill it with cold facets. Grab yourself a High Lords or any amulet you really want, and then if you can, find some arrows with some Pierce on them or some IAS. Grab yourself a Mercenary, make sure he's got an Infinity. Grab yourself a Mang Songs on Swap, fill your charms with Fire Skillers. Take your skills, max out Ice Bolt, max out Glacial Spike. Those are synergies for the Blizzard on your bow. Put 1 point into Cold Mastery. Fire skills, max out Warmth because that's a synergy for Enchant Fire. Dump your rest of your points into Fire Mastery. Make sure you got Mang Songs on Swap. Go to the Frigid Highlands. Enchant yourself. Now you have Strafe from the Endless Hail, and you have Blizzard. You now have 7k Strafe damage. Go to a map. Any map. Oh no, there's fire immunes. Don't worry, you're dropping blizzards on them. Oh no, there's cold immunes. Don't worry, you do fire damage.